Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your SONY LinkBuds Fit. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now, right here at the back side we have this connection button. Just press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing orange. And firstly it entered to prank mode, so right here we can see it. And then we should just hold on the button and wait. Here we go, we have it. Now release your finger and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Firstly, we should remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now, after hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!